Is there any more questions? I see Vilrani said, my outbox simulated based role plays during my mediation training with it. I performed the granted roles with the successful section A, and would written feedback be required from the trainer? I think it's very important. If you look at the 40 hours, there needs to be role plays in, but this is not, please, Veroni, just forward that email and I'll forward it to Jackie. This is not the practical we talk about. The practical that you have to do, and Jackie, you can quickly just jump in here and then we're going to end off. That's not the accreditation standard. With accreditation, like Sean said earlier, you have to do observer work, and then you have to physically sit in as a co-mediator and somebody observe you. That's totally different from this was part of your 40 hours. They have to do that.
Yeah.
Jackie,
yeah, exactly. And again, it's set out very clearly in the accreditation standards. Any course, mediation course, has to have a practical components, and components always in the form of role plays. Okay, park that down. You've done your course. Thereafter, you need experience, and that experience is required for accreditation. So they're two very, very different things, but it's explained in the standards, in the MSSA standards.